What's up, guys? They watched another video. One day we're gonna be starting my vlog like that. But today, Danny is taking all of his cars out. Oh, we got the STO, the Fur, the GT2RS, the R8, and he's bringing the COLTON in. Check this out, look how crazy this is. So we got my R8, we got Dandy's R8, we got Dandy's Perf, which he just wrapped satin black. It looks so much better, bro. I mean, you guys know me, I love satin black, but that thing looks mean. Oh my God, I want that car even more now. And then he got his STO out, which he also wrapped satin black recently. And then last but not least, he got the SVJ, of course, which I think he's gonna wrap satin black. It's only right, you know, to match the whole fleet in satin black. Wow, bro. Freaking goals, dude. But it looks absolutely crazy seeing all these cars on the street. Look at this. And then Jacob's whipping his COLTON in. The wide body COLTON in. So he got the whole fleet out today. What a flex, bro. Pulling up deep. Oh yeah, and the GT2RS, I almost forgot. Oh, we just passed the cop. I wonder what the cop thinks. Bro, he's for sure looking at all the cars like, what the heck is going on, bro? Oh, he's for sure gonna follow us, dude. How crazy is this, bro?
He should have let me drive the Revolto, man.
He should have let me drive the Revolto too. I know, keep in mind, he still has a Revolto, guys. It's not even here right now. So, on top of all these cars, he also got the Revolto. Don't forget. Damn, dude. Goals. Like I said in the last video and the video before that, I feel like I should get hella motivated when I see Dandy's cars, dude. I mean, how can you not, bro? Look at this. Who took over the whole gas station. Bro, at this point, you gotta buy your own gas station. Look at it. No. You filled up almost every pump.
Yeah, you should buy a gas station. Become an Arab. Just join the Arab lifestyle. What does that even mean? Arabs don't
That's super racist, bro.
Like Indians don't 7-Eleven.
This Chris talking about. Is your car empty or what? How much does it cost to fill up the whole thing from
Probably like
zero?
$100.
100? It's not bad. I thought it was gonna be like 200.
No, but going to Newport, like going to Javier Newport and come back, you finish whole tank.
Yeah, it probably runs out fast. Big old engine. So $100 twice.
Oh. Guys, leave in the comments. What do you think would happen if I pump diesel inside here?
Let's try
What would
it.
happen? Honestly, I want to know what would happen.
Maybe it'll go faster. I'm just kidding. Imagine? Hell no.
Bro, I'm telling you that. That's my worst
Fear?
My worst fear. Like when I'm talking and not like
Paying attention.
Paying attention, I just grab this shit.
Especially because some cars are 85, some aren't.
I remember I pumped the 91 in the BMW when it was pretty tuned.
Yeah.
Because some fool came up to me. Like, yo, bro, I like your car. And I'm like, oh, yes. Oh, here, like.
And it was supposed to be 85?
It was supposed to be 85. Bro.
Oh my God.
I was like this, and I'm talking to him, and I'm like, oh shit. I grabbed that shit right away. Call, like, hey, bro, what the fuck? Oh, you fucked up. Don't drive the car no more.
You had to drain it probably, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck, that sucks, dude. Good thing it wasn't diesel. What's up, G?
Yeah, what would happen if I put diesel in here?
Let's do it.
No, but what would happen? And what else? Would you ever still drive?
What the? What? That's how it sounds?
I don't know what you were doing.
For real.
Which one would you take second? Which one would you take third, fourth, fifth?
Me? I'm taking the SVJ, bro.
Alright, second.
I don't need anything else. I don't need a second.
You have to pick one first, one second, one third, one fifth.
Bro, there's too many, bro.
Choose.
Okay, SVJ, STO, perf. I don't know what else.
Wait,
SVJ, STO, the perf. And that's it. That's all I need, bro.
wait, how about the R8?
And I'll take the RA too.
How about that?
That's trash. I'm just kidding.
This guy really fucking.
I'm a Lambo guy, bro. Just like Dandy, literally.
If this wasn't here, that would be number one.
The GT2. It is fun though. I drove it.
100%.
Guys, my RA is so clean right now. Like it's spotless, bro. I have not driven it. I kept it in the garage just for today, bro. Look at this. My paint underneath the wrap is ceramic coated, but I don't think that is. Hey, it kind of is. That's the 2-car combo right there, though. The daily and then the weekend car right here. What's up, G?
I need that.
Me too.
I need that.
You're over here hyping him up?
Yeah, I need that.
Bro, it's spitting so many flames. Bro, this thing has to be fast, right? Look at the tire setup. Got skinnies on the front. Shit, what the? You're about to pop a wheelie. It's probably stupid fast. I wonder what people think, bro, seeing all these cars pull up.
Why are you always bashing on Porsches in the group chat and shit, man?
You know why?
They're slow, bro.
They're slow, bro.
But
You know what it really is?
Do you really not like them?
Okay, this is what you gotta understand. It's not that I hate the cars, is I hate the that drive the cars.
Understandable.
Because bro, when you got a Carrera 4S and you're sitting next to me talking about, yeah bro, the 812 Carrera, you know, they're really not that different of cars when you really think about it.
I understand.
And I'm like, have you lost your mind?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, this meat is so packed. They put us in the back, bro. They put us in the back. My boy Danny doing a meet and greet right now. He's getting swarmed, bro. It's so funny. You just look around.
Nah, bro. I love
You
that
see
his
everyone with Dandy hats. Like literally. Huh?
Oh yeah, he has one.
What do you want, G? Let's make sure it's locked so no one steals it.
I'm driving now. The shit's
Chris would leave. Alright guys, check this out. So remember I told you guys Sheepy's building like a 1200 horsepower truck, twin turbo? Okay, he got some inspo, and look how he wrapped it, dude. Bro,
twin way.
Literally my twin, bro. This shit looks sick.
Nick's a cut now, that's what I see.
Hey, wait, no, it's literally Nick inspired. When he
Exactly.
came to the shop,
Carbon
when we first
hood.
built it, I was like, I'm gonna wrap my truck. Well, first I wanted to wrap the G80 that color.
Yeah.
But then I blew up the G80 and started building it. Then we got the truck. I was like, well, I've had the roll in my shop.
Yeah.
How long have we had the roll there for? Like a while.
Yeah.
Wow. Ever since we did your car first.
That's
I bought it
funny,
right away.
bro. This shit look good though, and it literally matches because it has the carbon like front end, just like my R8.
Then
Dude,
the other side's black.
we gotta put them together. Oh yeah. So think of this: the wheels are white, and then this side, the wheels are black, bro. So it's literally my R8 twin, and then yeah, look at the twin turbo setup. This shit is crazy, bro. Honestly, this is the first car I've seen with this color besides my R8. I have not seen anybody else with this color. Unless there's some out there, let me know. But I think this is the only other car besides mine in this color. It actually looks really good. This color's hard. Oh shoot, we got a carbon trunk too? Oh, it's the homie. Anyways, yeah, Sheepy, they got inspired. They wrapped their truck the same. We gotta do a photo shoot together because I think my R8 next to this thing would go crazy. Damn, bro. The fact that it's even like carbon front end too is even cooler because it looks just like it. It's probably fast, huh? I want to drive in it, bro.
Take it.
So go ahead, I'll call you back.
I've never been in like a race truck, bro, like ever.
So
This probably feels
we're
weird.
still breaking in the transmission.
Yeah.
So we're gonna tune it tomorrow.
I see.
So we haven't done any pulls yet.
But it should make like 1,200, huh?
Yeah, I'll do yeah.
Or more. Bro, that's insane that these trucks can
good?
do that. Hell yeah, it looks really good.
I'm glad my vision came out. Like,
Yeah.
it looks so good on your car, bro. Like, the thing is, like, there's a lot of black trucks out there.
Yeah, that's what he was telling me. Like a lot of trucks look the same, you know? So this looks completely different.
I give it all the credit to you. When I vlogged, I was like, this is all from Nick.
That's funny. I love it, bro. It's so sick.
Like, damn, Big, now you're gonna start dressing like next. He was like, he gave me some shirts.
That's funny. Nah, this shit clean though. It came out really freaking good, dude.
I'm excited.
Bro, I haven't seen anyone with this color. Now I think it's only me and you.
Yeah?
Yeah, I haven't seen anyone else.
I'm still gonna do the G80.
It'll look good on a G80. I wanted to do it
I
too.
think what I want to do is all my cars the same color.
Do it. That should be hard.
We just got my wife a G63.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna wrap it the same.
That's sick. Well, it's a unique color. No one has it. Look at his iPad. That's cool. Taking pictures. Big ol' iPad. Joe's car. If you guys remember, I went on his podcast, the one that you guys were just having an argument with Chris about Porsches. It's because on his podcast he talks a lot. Like a lot of his bio clips are about hating Porsches. He just doesn't like that they're slow, bro, which I think too. Even Chris right now, he was saying like, I would take the GT2 RS over your R8. I'm sorry, but I don't know. I would take the R8, guys, if the money wasn't a thing. Guys, look how small this little mini G-Wagon is. There ain't no way, bro. It's not a Benz though, right? Or they just put the logo. Yeah, it's a Suzuki. Chris, next car or no? I think that's the next car, bro. Damn, he got the BBSs too. This is exactly what I want to do. So supposedly my wheels on the R8 will fit this. So I already mentioned it before. So if I get a 720, you already know I'm putting my BBSs on it. Damn, bro, look at this. I don't know, guys. This might be the move. I just love all the Alcantara inside, like the dash and everything is Alcantara. I don't know. The only bad thing about these cars is the reliability, dude. I'm not trying to break down. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, a lot of 720 owners tell me they break. That shit nice though.
Makers, purple, yo.
I love the doors that go all the way up like that too. Like the top of the roof comes up. What the? I feel like you never see wide body M4s like this. F82s. Holy shit, you saw the seats? Look at this, guys. You got full carbon seats in here. Damn, rich. Bro, this body kit actually looks really good, but you hardly see these wide bodies. Double charger for a vape.
Yes, literally.
That's how you know you're a fiend. What's wrong with you?
Bro, if you work in
Just
sales,
breathe oxygen,
if you work in
G.
sales, you'll understand.
All over Chris Borges. Damn, bro, your diffuser looks like my F80 falling off. My F80 diffuser, guys, yesterday almost fell off on the freeway, huh? It was bad. Damn. Look at this.
It's like a Jimmy would build.
He's not taking no risk, bro. He got the steering wheel lock on it. Look, he's like, no one's stealing my R34.
That's how you know you're out here.
I would do the same thing, brother. That shit is beautiful. Oh my god, dude. Tees. Look, they got the merch on. They both got the camo tees. Hella people are wearing the merch. Represent, G?
Gotta represent.
It honestly is sick though, seeing everyone wear the freaking merch. Guys, I ship it myself, bro, so it's pretty cool to see it. Finally get to you guys wear it. Oh yeah, Chris was helping me the other day ship orders. It's bad, huh? We need to get a warehouse, bro, at one point.
Yeah,
it's gonna get to that point. It's getting to that
It
point.
was 1 a.m. Honestly, props to your mom.
Yeah, my mom and dad help a lot, bro. Shout out to them. Hey, this is my spec, look. Dude, look at the wheels. God, bro, this shit hard. Huh?
Can't get a picture?
No, bro.
No, like a street
Have they
pic.
checked you already?
Like a street pic.
No. Yeah. There's this TikTok video where the little kid comes
right now.
and they're like, check
Street
him.
pic, bro.
Make sure.
Oh, that's it.
Doesn't know what's happening, bro.
When you're on stream, they take a screenshot.
There's like 4 conversations going on right now, bro.
Bro, it's not. What's happening? It's not.
Oh.
Here, outside now. That one's yours, bro.
He just took it off of him.
Bro, I might have to take my bumper back off. That shit look good with no bumper. Especially the Huracan. I know, I gotta do the flame tune now. Bro, I might take my bumper back off, guys. Hopefully I don't get pulled over though.
The car, a lot of that shit clean as it is.
Should he bring this one back? I've never seen it. Let me
Boy, I
see
literally
it back.
dropped it like a couple months ago.
That's the one that you drove when you made the sweater with all the logos.
Really? I remember that hoodie.
Who doesn't remember this, guys? Because you're the
I don't
second
know.
person today that said, have you dropped that before?
I don't know. I thought it was some exclusive,
It looks cool,
friends
huh?
and family that I didn't get.
I gotta make another one.
Yeah.
You
Just
want
one
some?
more?
Shop findingnick.com. Great.
For the watch?
The watch is still more probably.
Nah, it's around the same. Not too bad.
Look at the
Alright.
shape. Look at it.
Damn.
I'll go with the watch.
Bro, it's cause I'll break it, bro.
No, you won't.
I'm gonna go head on, like up every curve. Like I'm not gonna angle it, bro.
I just learned that on gas, huh?
Yeah.
Ours is
Bro,
just
it's like fucking Hellcat engine.
Notchback too.
But that's what makes it kind of fun. It's still slow. It's heavy, but it's fun. It's cool. It sounds nice.
Oh, smaller?
Hellcat motor. Go off.
All Edgars. Like, what the f are you doing, bro? All these Edgars, Jose's, and mess up all the meats and shit. Tired of the bullshit. All you take over fat.
Danny's getting drunk, guys.
It's your birthday, me.
I didn't get ahead of. I would have more set on my worst. Shout out to you, boy Dundee.
Whenever it's like a little kid that he's like a big fan of Dandy, he'll usually like look at the team and all his team wears Dandy hats, so they all know, they're like, damn, he's gonna take one of our hats. So they all like turn around, bro, to hide their face. And at the end of the meet, no one had hats left. Dandy gave them all away.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.